Hello lovely, in this video I'll show you how to change your YouTube default settings so that you don't accidentally upload a video as public when you weren't ready for it to be seen. Log into your YouTube channel and then click YouTube Studio. Right now they have the YouTube Studio beta. In the very left column, click Settings and click Upload Defaults. Okay, so at the end of each video, I do have this Let's Be Besties, and seriously, let's be besties if we're not already besties. But here you can see my website, my Instagram account, my Pinterest account, and my Facebook account. So you can see exactly where to follow and get more inspiration. Visibility is, I want to set it to private. Unlisted, with unlisted videos, you can send a link to like someone else and they can view the video, so only people with that link can view it. I prefer to set my videos as private because when they're private I can then schedule them to go public later, so I like to choose private. Here you can choose tags. If you wanted to add tags automatically you could as well. Advanced, I wouldn't worry too much about advanced for now, especially since you're just starting, but the biggest thing is to change that visibility to private and click save. So that's how you change your YouTube default settings. Don't forget to go to ladymora.com/YT where you can claim your free thumbnail, end screens, watermark, and YouTube banner templates. I give it all to you for free. Check it out.